Hi everyone, the question is, let S be the circle in xy plane which stretches the x-axis at point A and y-axis at point B, and unit circle x square plus y square equal to 1 at point C externally. If O denotes the origin, then the angle OCA equals. So here the situation is something like this. There is this circle with center O with radius 1, as represented by the equation x square plus y square equal to 1. And there is a circle, which is touching x-axis and y-axis and this circle. Yeah, nice that I could make it decently well circle. Happy for that. Nonetheless, so here it is touching x-axis at A, y-axis at B. Yeah, and let's say the radius of this circle is r, and without loss of generality, I have taken this circle in first quadrant, doesn't matter much. If radius is r, the center will be r comma r. In fact, A will be r comma 0 and B will be 0 comma r. Yeah, and by symmetry you can say the point at which they are touching will be what is lying, of course, on x square plus y square equal to 1 also, and also on the line y equal to x. Yeah, because that point will lie on the line joining the centers of the circle. Yeah, they are touching. So here clearly you can say it will be let's say it's point C. So point C is what, in fact they are seeing the point C, right? It's touching a point C. So here what we want is we want the angle OCA. OCA is the angle that we are looking for, where C is clearly 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2, and clearly this angle will be what, 45 degree, right? Because this O and this, let's say, point P, where P is the center of this circle, this is this lies on line y equal to x, and C lies on this line. So clearly this angle is 45 degree. Now what about the circles equation? You can do it in possible different ways. What we are looking for is we are looking for the value of r such that we have so that we have coordinates of point A, and then we'll talk about to find how to find angle OC. Nonetheless, that value of r you can find in different ways. One way, quick way, is x minus r whole square plus y minus r whole square equal to r square is the equation of the circle with center P. 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2 lies on it. So you have what? You have this, right? So what you have is r square minus 2 root 2 r. Yeah, you have half is coming twice, so plus 1 equal to 0. So you get r to be what? You'll get r to be root 2 2 by 1. So root 2 plus minus 1. Yeah, but you will consider r to be root 2 plus 1 only and not root 2 minus 1. Why? Because we are not looking for a circle which is touching x axis and y axis and touching this circle x square plus y square equal to 1 from inside. No, the circle is touching x axis and y axis and touching this circle x square plus y square equal to 1 from outside, externally. Yeah, if it would have been internal touching of this circle x square plus y square equal to 1, then you would have got r to be root 2 minus 1. Yeah, but here we'll take r to be root 2 plus 1. So this point A essentially is what, root 2 plus 1 comma 0. Yeah, and C point already I know is 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2. So what about slope of this AC? The slope of AC would be what? It will be you may say 1 by root 2 minus 0 divided by 1 by root 2 minus root 2 plus 1. Yeah, so what you have is 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 minus root 2 is what? It is essentially 2 times 1 by root 2. So you have minus 1 by root 2. Yeah, so what you have is minus times 1 by root 2 plus 1. If you are doing right, yes. So what you have is minus times root 2 minus 1 when you rationalize the denominator. Yeah. And clearly slope of AC is going to be negative, and we have got it to be negative. Yeah. So this angle is essentially what? 10 pi by 8 is root 2 minus 1. Yeah. So this is what? This is essentially 22.5 degree. And if you consider triangle OCA, then you can get this angle OCA as what? 180 degree minus 45 degree minus 22.5 degree. Yeah. So what you get here is 45. So you have, or rather 67.5. So you have, okay, anyway, we have to talk in terms of, radians. So it is pi minus, much better, pi by 4 minus pi by 8. So what you have is 5 pi by 8. So A is the answer. Thanks for listening.